dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your problem. So if Messenger just stuck on your iPhone, so how you can fix it. So for fixing it, first thing, just close your app and just open again, and if it doesn't help you, just go to the settings, and in the settings you need to find here, if you're using Wi-Fi, just try to open your Wi-Fi settings and just try to turn it off and turn on again. Also you can do it with mobile data, just turn off and turn on again. Also you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a second and just turn it off. So after, just go to the general, just open software update, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. And also you can try to go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a second and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if it doesn't help you, if you still have this error, so just try to update your app. So just go to App Store, just go to search tab, in search tab just write Messenger, and if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.